Hi guys, let's start. So, set A and B both consist of 5 distinct positive integers. So A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Q1, 2, 3 of set A is equal to Q0, Q1, and Q3 of set B. So are these like interquartile ranges, or I'm guessing this is like elements, maybe. No, it's interquartile ranges, I think. Maybe? Set B is a property that both its mean and median are equal to 10. So if its median is equal to 10, we have this here. Which is also the amount by which the range of set A is larger than the range of set B. Find the number of possible sums of the elements of A. So Q1, Q2, and Q3 of set A. We have a range of data, we can represent it like this. This is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, I think. Or maybe this is Q2, this is Q3, and this is Q4. Well, either way, that's still just the 4 elements, or 5 elements. So, 1, 2, and 3 are equal to 0. 1, 0, 1, and 3. Okay. But its mean and median are equal to 10. So let's call this P, Q, R, S. No, P, Q, R, L. So we know P plus Q plus 10 plus R plus L over 5 is equal to 10. So the sum is equal to 50, so the sum of these are equal to 40. Plus Q plus R plus L is equal to 40. But we also know that P plus Q, 10 minus P plus Q, has to be equal to R plus L minus 10. Because this will deviate from 10 by however much. I think. This will deviate by 10 by however much. The sum of these will deviate by 10 by however much. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So this, it has to be P, this has to be Q, this has to be R. So the range of set A is, so the range of B is equal to L minus P. So what we're bounded by is the bottom and the top here for A. So, okay, so we know that the range of A is equal to 10 plus L minus P. Okay. So if we call this X and Y, we know that Y minus X is equal to 10 plus L minus P. Then we're bounded by X is less than P, and Y is greater than R. Okay. And we're looking for all possible sums of the elements of A. What the heck? So let's find for B. If it's all positive integers, we could have 1, 2, 10, so that would be 13, we can reach 50. 14, we need to reach 50. So we could do 16 we need, so we could do nothing. So we know that P does not equal 1, Q does not equal 1 or 2. P is equal to 2 maybe. So we have 2, 3, 5. We need, or 2, 3, 10. Oh, I messed that up. We need 1, 2, 10. We have 13 right now. To reach 50, we need 7 plus 30, 37. So we can do 11 and, well, we just know that this has to be 37, so there are a lot of things that can do that. 2, 1, 3, 10. Now this has to be 36. What's the smallest we can do? 11, 12 is 23. 23 would be, yeah, we can even do that. Because the left should have to be larger than the right. 23, 20. Oh, but remember their sum has to equal. Wait, oh, their sum does have to equal 50. Okay, so this maintains the average of 50. Or the average of 10. What if I represent this in a different way? 1, 2, and then we have this represents the 10, and then we have the rest. So, on the left-hand side, the sum can be between 3 and 20. Oh, and the right, the smallest can be is maybe 25. 25 is 11, 14. The left cannot be 25. What's the largest the left can be? 8 plus 9 is 17. And on this side, this can be between 50 minus 17 is 33 to 47. No. No, 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 no. These have to sum to 50, not 50 including the 10. So this goes from, at the smallest, which would be here, 23 to 37. Okay. So, to make the range 10, well, the bottom half of the range of A always has to be less than P, at least by 1. Y can be anything. So, P can be 1 through, and then 17 would be 8. R is here at, we want the smallest so we can have the most options. Smallest at 23 would be 11, and the largest at 37 would be also 11. So R is 11. So when P is 1, the range of this one is, man. R is 11, then L must range from 12 to 26, which means that the ranges from 1 at the, or 11 at the smallest to 18. So the range, this is the range of B. So the range of A ranges from 21 to 28. So when P is 1, the range has to be 21. So if P is 1, R is 11, the range is 21. We have, the smallest we can go is 12, and then we need positive integers, so P can't be 1 actually. He has to be 2, at the least. 2. So it can't be 1, 2, it has to go from 4, which means that this has to go from, at the smallest, 23 to 36. Which means at the largest, this is 25. (25) minus 2 is 25 minus 8 is 17. Which means the range of A is to 27. I lied again. Can't be 2, 2. It has to be 2, 3, which is 5. Which makes this 5. Which which makes this 2, which makes this L has the range between oh, 35 minus 11, which is 24, which is 24 minus 8 is 16, 6. Okay, now, so when P is 2 and 3, we have 2, 3, 11, and wait, what? We have 15 here. We need 15. We need it to be 50. So 5, 35. So 4, 24. 24. So then our range is 12. So for X has to be 1, and then this, our only option is 13. Okay. So when we have 3 and 4, the sum here is 7. So our only options here are, I don't know, we could do 2, 3, 2, 4. So that makes the sum of these 6, okay, so, what am I talking about? Sum of these 6, so this has to decrease by 1 to 23, which makes our range oh wait, the range here was 24 minus 2 is 22. 24 minus 2 is 22. So 22 times, no, 22 plus 10 is 32. So 32, we have 33. Here, it's 2 to 23, that gives us 11, that gives us 21, so we have 31. So again, we have here 1, but we have 32. Then we keep repeating that for all the 2's, because for 2, there are 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 9. 2, 1 doesn't count, 2, 2 doesn't count, but 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9 counts. 3, 3 doesn't count, but 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 9 counts. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9, 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 9, 6, 8, 6, 9, 7, 8, 7, 9, 8, 9. So we have all of these different values for P and Q. Their sums here are 5, how do I do this? 5, 6, 7. Okay, so they follow their sums along this line. This is 9. Oh, it's weird. That is so weird. This is 12, this is 12, this is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 8. This is 17. This is 17. This is another one. This is another one. So we have all these different sums. 5, 6, 7, 8. Or no, this is 8, 9, 10. 10 is in here. 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 13, this is 14, this is 15. This is 15. This is 16, this is 17. Okay. So this is PQ. If R is constant as 11, L changes from, since their sum must be 40, from 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. I'm not doing this right. I'm wasting time. Let me check how it's actually done, because I don't think this is how I'm supposed to do it. Okay, cool. So what they did is they somehow combined the range of this and this into one equation. They found out it was only in the values of x0 and x1, the range, and then they found the sum of all values at the lowest possible point and the highest possible point, which was like 46 or something, and 52, I think, I don't know. Then they decided, like, oh, this counts, and so does everything in between. So then we got 13 as the actual answer. So I don't even know what I did, but I just was not going in the correct path. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.